Okay guys, so gawin natin yung weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Capricorn. This is for May 11 to 17. So kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung Sun, Moon, Rising mo, sa end of the video may link para mapanood mo. Readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Private readings po, spell works, you can message me. And Friday till Sunday, nasa Oh My Gulay tayo sa Session Road for face-to-face readings. Okay, so progressive reading to, meaning in the additional 7 to 9 weeks, mararanasan mo pa tong readings na to. So what ano ba yung ma-expect natin na mangyayari, Capricorn? The Empress. Ayan. So, a lot of you guys, ang Empress kasi, it's tungkol siya sa andun sa motherhood, the feminine side. So, andito na two things na ang gagawin ng universe para sa'yo. Hahayaan niyang maranasan mo yung feminine side mo. Ibig sabihin, pag sa feminine side, this is maybe the emotional side of us. Andoon na itatouch ng universe na hindi sa lahat ng oras kailangan doon tayo sa masculine side. Andoon kasi na kailangan pinapaharamdaman din natin kung ano ba yung plans ng universe, ano bang target niya, ano ba yung pine-prepare niya. And of course, ang universe kapag most of the, maraming best, kapag nakikipag-usap yan, pinaparamdam yung tinatawag nating intuitions natin, yung instincts natin, yung mga kutob na sinasabi. So, ando na ganun yung gagawin ng universe for most of you para matutunan nyo rin paano ba to i-handle accordingly. Now, another side of the reading kasi dito, pinapakita na may mga iba sa inyo na medyo idadaling kayo ng universe para magkaroon kayo ng reconnection with your mother figure or your birth mother figure, mga tipo nagpalaki sa inyo, pwedeng sila lola or sila tita. So, andoon na magkakaroon ng kaya siya gagawin ng universe para magkaroon ka ng deeper idea, deeper connection doon sa emotional state mo, doon sa soft side mo. Kasi kailangan din siya, my dear. Hindi pwedeng puro tayo fight, fight, fight. We also need how to love, 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 and feel. Now, next nating card is the Queen of Wands. So, this card is it's an older female energy and about that, Wands is about the energies as well. So, ito yung moment na nagpapaalala sa universe that you also need to think about yung mga bagay na nakaligtaan mo na. Yung kung saan ka sumasaya, pwedeng hobbies mo to, pwedeng places that you love to visit, favorite person mong kausap. Yun yung mga bagay na gustong ipal sa universe that you need to also reconsider. Kasi kumbaga, bigyan mo ng chance, bigyan mo ng time, invest also on those things na money cannot buy. So, ito yung moment na dadaling ka ng universe doon. Which is good kasi being earth elemental ka nga, ando na medyo minsan dry din. Alam mo, parang wala kaming mapigang emosyon sa'yo. So, goods naman yan na, well, maganda naman yon earth element, tapos water, diba? It brings life. Which is papasok tayo with temperance. Now, temperance, tinatawag kasi siyang angel of the tarot cards. And sa ibang mga cases din, this is all, or in astrology, it is also called connected siya kay Sagittarius, which is about travels and learnings. Yes, so, a lot of you guys, in my placement ng Capricorn, we're looking at possible travels. Hindi lang siya basta travel na para pupunta kang tindahan. No, this is a travel na tipo mga pwedeng 6 hours yung layo, 4 hours, mga ganyan in travel time. So, if you're planning as well to have some travels, do it. Kasi, ano yun it's a way paraan mo yun para marinig mo din yung inner voice mo. Kasi pag wala nang masyadong maingay sa paligid, wala na nagdidikta, wala na nagsasalita, ang naiiwan na lang is yung inner voice mo. Which is yun yung importante, sabi ni Ten of Cups. Now, Ten of Cups kasi usually is about celebration with the family yung relationship natin with yung mga family natin, ang tawag doon, interpersonal relationship or relationship with other people. Pero at this time, since nga may mga possible travels, karamihan sa inyo, or isolation or movements, basta mag-iiba kayo ng environment, meron tayo, doon ka magpo-focus ngayon sa tinatawag na intra-personal relationship. This is your connection, this is your relationship towards yourself naman. This is your relationship sa sarili mo. Kumaga, yun yung tanong din eh, gaano mo kalalim o gaano mo kakilala ang iyong sarili? How well do you know yourself? Andoon na, what do you really want? Iyon yung mga tanong doon eh. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Ano ba yung kailangan mo para sa sarili mo? Yun yung mga bagay na gustong masasagot mo in the travel or in the isolation na magkakaroon ka. Now, why is it important? Kasi hangga't hindi mo alam yung gusto mo or hindi mo alam yung kailangan mo, you don't know kung saan ka pupunta, hindi mo alam ano yung targetin mo, andoon ang mangyayari, parang suntok sa buwan na lang, bahala na si Batman. So, ang iniiwasan ng universe dito is yung point na parang umabot sa level or sa oras na parang sana pala tinry ko to, sana pala ginawa ko to. Yung may mga sana moments, hirap nun. Um, Yun yung gustong as much as possible ma-eliminate ng universe in your life. Now, next natin is si Magician. Now, si Magician kasi, it is connected to the planet Mercury. Ayan, movement na naman. Pero, Mercury also in astrology, tungkol siya sa tawag doon. Tungkol siya sa communication, tsaka paano tayo mag-isip. So, in a tarot cards, since andyan yung apat na element, this is also a time for you to learn how to choose. So, ito na yung mga moments of choosing wisely. Ito na yung time na binibigyan ka ng chance ng universe to learn for yourself, and also give yourself the opportunity na to grow as well. Kasi, ano eh, it's not giving na hindi mo protect, napipili yung sarili mo. Kasi, paalala ng universe sa'yo, meron kang responsibility sa sarili mo. You have the responsibility to also take care of yourself and to choose for yourself at this point. Now, the Three of Wands, ayan. So, during the travels or yung isolation, dito ka magkakaroon ng mga realizations, dito ka magkakaroon ng mga thinking na, ay, ito pala yung dapat para sa akin. Kumbaga, hindi naman siya totally na ma-open na lahat sa'yo, ano ba talaga yung para sa'yo. Pero andun yung point na magkakaroon na ng openings, magkakaroon na ng crack, magkakaroon na ng moment na parang, ay, sige nga, ito yung bet ko, para sa sarili ko. So, andoon magbi-build ka na ng plan para sa sarili mo. Magkakaroon ka na ng target, magkakaroon ka ng goals para sa sarili mo, which is very important. Kasi, yun yung hinahanap ng universe. For the universe to manifest kung ano yung desire mo, kailangan niya ng specifics, kailangan niya ng details. Kasi parang, pag sinabi mo na gusto ko ng bahay, dahil pag binigyan ka ng bahay ng posporo, talaga baka mawindang ka. Be specific, yung tipong, kapag sinabi ng universe, anong gusto mo? Gusto ko ng bahay na ang lot area is 150 square meters, nasa floor area, nasa 200 square meters, tapos 3 floors, may 4 bedrooms, tapos may guest quarter. Kumbaga, may paint out. Kasi that's how, if you can, sabi ng universe, kung kaya mong i-picture out yung gusto mo, kaya mo i-describe in details, the faster the manifestation will happen, which will cause a lot of Four of Wands, which is about celebration. Kasi syempre, di ba, kapag na-achieve mo or nag-materialize yung from manifest, umangat siya sa materialize, it calls for a celebration. Syempre, di ba? Example, di ba, bahay nga yung minamanifest mo. Of course, magkakaroon tayo ng party kasi may house blessing or housewarming. So, andoon na, this is a progressive thing na binibuild ng universe. Kaya siguro ang tagal na 7 to 9 weeks. Now, sino ba yung deities na kasama mo ngayon? So, we have here si Persephone, Simplicity, Rejuvenation, and a Wish to Balance. At si Pegasus, 18, Friendship, Freedom, and a Wish to Assist. So, setting things into balance is also important. Kasi, andoon na one of the balance nga, babalik tayo kay Temperance, na kailangan mo sa life mo, it's andoon knowing your end goal. Knowing what is your path. knowing ko ano ba talagang desire mo, knowing ko ano yung gusto mo. And then from there, the universe will work to give you the assistance that you need. So I hope nakatulong your readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share na din. And for private readings po, spell works, you can message me. And then Friday to Sunday, sa Oh My Gulay po tayo for face-to-face readings. So maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna and blessed be and hope to see you soon. From Baguio City, have a great day. Bye for now.